Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make kombucha carbonated. Start with a strong starter tea and a ripe SCOBY to build natural carbonation. Use clean bottles that seal well and leave appropriate headspace for gas. Ferment a second time with measured sugar or juice to feed the yeast. Check pressure daily and burp bottles as needed. Enjoy small batches to control flavor and fizz safely and improve consistency. Keep equipment spotless and stick to steady temperatures for predictable fizz. Use bottles rated for pressure and leave proper headspace to reduce burst risk. Choose reliable seals like flip top or crown caps to trap CO2 effectively. Prime with measured sugar or juice so fermentation stays controlled. Store bottles at room temperature out of sunlight, then chill to slow activity once desired carbonation is reached and flavors are balanced. Decide on a priming agent and start small to learn how your kombucha responds. Measure sugar carefully to aim for gentle carbonation without overpressurizing bottles. Leave 2-3 cm headspace and seal bottles tightly to build CO2 during the second fermentation. Monitor pressure daily and chill when bubbles reach the level you like. Label dates and flavors so you can repeat successes and avoid surprises with future batches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.